Thanks for calling Autel.
Good afternoon, it's Betty with Autel.
Thanks for calling Autel. How can I help you? And what's the address that we're
Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Welcome to OnCall, our new series where we give you behind-the-scenes access to our technical support team. Today, I'd like to kick things off with our Director of Technical Support. Maurice, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Sean.
Now, I understand you've been around a long time. Is it 9 years by this point?
Just about 10.
10 years, okay. So good chance a lot of people watching probably have spoken to you on the phone.
Absolutely.
Tell me about the team you've been able to build.
Absolutely. So our team right now consists of about 35 individuals. A lot of the individuals do have automotive backgrounds with ASE certifications. They also did go to schooling for automotive repair as well.
That's really very cool. Now, challenging times. We've had some snowstorms like we always do in New York. 2 years in, we still have COVID with us. How did that affect you guys?
Absolutely. So unfortunately, with the pandemic, we were able to go ahead and work from home via remote. So with the agents working from home via remote, we were able to still go ahead and man our operations.
Well, it's good to know that when people dial us, we're going to be here no matter what's going on.
Absolutely.
So anything we can tell people before they pick up the phone that might be useful to save time? Because we both know, coming from a shop background, time is money.
Agreed. Great. So we certainly advise updating your scan tool, checking for software updates. So before calling us, if you have any issues with vehicle communication issues, definitely want to check for software updates. Updates on the tablet, for also updates on the VCIs.
Yes, you don't want to forget the VCI. I've done that myself, actually, which is never a good thing. So if that doesn't work for me, how do I get in touch with you guys?
Absolutely. So you can contact us through phone. That's 855-288-3587. Or you can contact us through email, which is ussupport@autel.com.
Okay, so I'm in the shop. It's a busy day. I'm ready to call you. Any steps I should do to make that call go as fast as possible?
Absolutely. So you want to make sure your tablet's connected to Wi-Fi, and you also want to make sure that your serial number is available for the agent that does answer the phone.
And remember, folks, you can find your serial number in 3 different locations: on the product packaging, on the back of your tool, and also in the About menu.
If you require remote assistance, you want to make sure that quick support is running, so therefore we can go ahead and dial into the tool.
All excellent tips. I really appreciate it. And thanks for the time today. We'll certainly have you back in a future episode.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
And make sure you all tune in to our next episode of OnCall, where we will take more people from behind the phones and put them in front of the camera. In the meantime, for more information on our family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.